Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am solving two problems which comes on GATE 2021 on the subject of vector calculus. These two problems based on vector calculus and two important theorem of vector calculus, that is Green's theorem and divergence theorem. The first problem is, let f from R3 to R be a twice continuously differentiable scalar point function scalar field such that divergence d grad f equal to 6. Let S be the surface x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1, that is a sphere of radius 1, and n be the unit outward drawn normal to S. Then the value of grad f dot n ds is. This theorem based on divergence theorem. Now the divergence theorem says that by Gauss divergence theorem, we know that the Gauss divergence theorem convert the volume integral to surface integral, that is integral over v dv dv equal to integral over s f dot n ds, where S is the given surface and n is the unit vector in the direction of outward normal to S. Here the surface S is given by x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1, that is S is a sphere of radius 1 whose volume is 4/3 pi r cube. Here r equal to 1, the volume formula of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cube, so this is equal to 4/3 pi. Now let us take grad f equal to capital F here for the problem, then deep grad f equal to dv f. Now by divergence theorem, f dot n integral over s d grad f dot n ds is equal to integral over s f dot n ds, since f is equal to grad f. This we simply put this form in here. Now this is equal to, by divergence theorem, df db on capital F. Now put this value capital F equal to grad f, this value here we get, this is equal to d grad f dv. This is given that d grad f is equal to 6, this value given is equal to 6, this is equal to, now this is put here in 6 and integral over dv. Now dv means the volume of the sphere, which is equal to 4/3 pi. Now this gives 8 pi. So the integral, vector integral, is equal to 8 pi. So option 1 is the correct answer. Next, take a problem which is also comes in GATE 2021. Let gamma be the boundary of a square region R with the vertices 0, 0, 2, 0, 2, 2 and 0, 2 oriented in the counterclockwise direction. Then closed integral over gamma 1 minus y square dx plus x dy is equal to. This problem based on Green's theorem. The problem given in the form p dx plus q dy is form of a Green's theorem in a plane. Now Green's theorem in a plane says that let S be a closed region of the xy plane bounded by a simply closed curve gamma, and p and q be the functions of x and y which are continuous and having continuous derivatives in S. Then the Green's theorem says that integral closed interval over gamma p dx plus q dy equal to integral over S del q del x minus del p del y dy. Here S is the region with a perfect square, the 4 point given comparing with 1 minus y square dx plus x dy, we get p equal to 1 minus y square and q equal to x. Now by Green's theorem, this is equal to p, this is equal to p, and this x is equal to q. Therefore Green's theorem says that del q del x, that is del x of x, minus del p del y, that is del y of 1 minus y square dx dy, that is the integral converted to a surface integral. This is equal to 1 plus 2y dx dy over the surface S. Now the surface is given by the 4 point of a perfect square. this is this. Now this point is 0 0, this point is 2 0, this point is 0 2 2 2, and this point is 0 2. Therefore we can easily find the limit of the integral x and y. Now we say that x varies from 0 to 2 and y also varies from 0 to 2. So the limit of the integration is simply x from 0 to 2 and y from 0 to 2. 1 plus 2y dx dy. And since this term is independent, this integral is independent, we can write these two multiplies of dx and dy and this their corresponding quantities. So this is integration over x 0 to, integral 0 to 2 dx. This means x from 0 to 2, and this integral is equal to y plus y square by 2, 2 2 cancel, so simply y plus y square from 0 to 2. This is equal to 2, and this is equal to 2 plus 2 square, that is 6, that is 2 into 6 equal to 12. So 12 is the correct answer. This is comes in GATE 2021, which is a numerical type answer question, and the answer is 12. So thank you student, thank you for watching. So thank you, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.